We're on SAT Practice Test 7, Math Section 2, Question 13. Level of difficulty here, it's hard. And gotta hand it to ETS. After like 100 years, they finally designed a problem that has answer choices with letters on them, and you could plug in, but it's actually easier not to. In a set of 4 consecutive odd integers, where the integers are ordered from least to greatest, the first integer is represented by x. The product of 12 and the fourth odd integer is at most 26 less than the sum of the first and third odd integers. Which inequality is it? So even though I'm not going to plug in here, I'm kind of going to plug in because I'm going to say x is the first number. They're odd integers, so let's just try some odd integers, kind of see how this works. So let's make x 3. There's 4 of them. What's the next odd integer? 5, 7, and 9. These integers won't work here, but it doesn't matter because you can see that the first integer is x. What's the next one? X plus 2. Next one's x plus 4. Last one's x plus 6. You can see that you need to do this because look at the answer choices. They're crawling with x plus some number. Alright, so it says that the fourth one, the fourth odd integer, the product of 12 and that fourth odd integer. So 12 times, which is the fourth odd integer? 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 times x plus 6. Okay. A, B, C, D. Do you agree that the right answer is going to have 12 times x plus 6 in it? You do agree. Good. So cross off C and D. Alright, it says, is at most 26 less than the sum. Is at most is kind of confusing, but think about it in terms of something you can understand. So, I have, at most, 6 dogs. How many dogs do I have? Well, at most I have 6. I could have 5, I could have 4, but at most I have 6. So, is it greater than or is it less than? It's this one, right? It's at most, so I have less than 6 dogs. It's the same thing right here. 12 times x plus 6 is less than. Which answer choice says that? Of the ones that remain. A. And guys, that's it. That's all you got to do. You do not have to deal with the rest of the stuff. That's the answer. Get it right and move on.